Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up storage space in Windows, especially in C drive. So here is the step one. So guys, simply search for disk cleanup, select C drive and select the files which are taking space in drive C, and you can simply check them and click OK. And that's it guys. Now there you can see we have freed at least 2 GB. Now let's move to step 2, which is changing the download folder location. Simply right click on download folder and go to properties and then find the location, and from here click on move. And guys, from here you can move the download folder into any other partition so you can free up the space in drive C. As you can see, you can simply move it from here and download folder will still remain in the users, and all your files will be saved. So here is step 3. In this step you have to clean the temporary folder which is in the app data local, and then there you can see the temp. So in some cases this folder contains very large files which are just useless for you, so you can simply delete those files and free up space in your Windows. So that's it guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.